In this episode, we're going to make a crunchy apple pie dip. This is a simple recipe to make and it's always a crowd pleaser. So we start with 1 brick of softened cream cheese, and that means it's room temperature, and this just helps everything blend together easier. And then we have a bunch of different flavor choices that we can make them, and when you decide on the seasoning, it totally changes the flavor of your pie dip here. So you could use the sweet strawberry, which would then make it have a strawberry flavor. There's a chocolate java, which kind of complements the apples real nice. Then there's a cinnamon apple spice, and then the caramel pumpkin. So we're going to use the caramel pumpkin today. And this one has a nice caramely flavor, and then kind of a hint of pumpkin to it. And we're just going to use a half a pack. If you have a big crowd coming, just double everything and then you could use the whole pack. I just kind of hold it with my fingers and then I can pour out a half a pack. And we're going to blend it with a mixer until it's all combined. The next thing we're going to add is 1 medium apple, and I have it kind of consistently cut up into little pieces there. And then you'd want about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of nuts. I have walnuts, but pecans are really excellent in it too. And then just mix it till it's blended. So now we're finished making our crunchy apple pie dip, and we're going to invite Rich in to come have a taste. Come back, Rich.
So this looks pretty good. Smells kind of good. So how do we normally eat this? I see a cracker here, so I'm going to put the cracker.
They're nice with graham crackers. I like them with ginger snaps.
So you just kind of spread it on the cracker?
Just spread it on the cracker, dip it right in there. And then it has the chunkiness of the apple, and then the smoothness of the cream cheese.
Oh, I just got a whiff of caramel.
The caramel, yeah. Yeah, it's one of my favorite flavors to do the one with is the caramel pumpkin. But then it tastes completely different if you do it with the strawberry.
Well, that's really good.
Isn't that good? And that's another, you can just, serve it as a side salad too, like a little dessert.
Especially in the fall or Thanksgiving time.
Oh, yeah.
This would be a winner at Thanksgiving.
I love this as a side with pork chops. With the apple and the cream cheese. And if you have any left over, you can spread it over the top of a chicken breast or a pork chop and then bake it. So it has a whole nother life to it. It's not just a fruit dip, but it also could be a topping for one of your meats.
That's very good. That's a dessert all on its own.
Yep.
Well, I'm Rich from the Wild Things Show, Cooking Wild Game.
And I'm Starla from Starla Seasonings, Dips and Mixes. ilovedip.com.
Go to our websites, check out our other recipes. This one's fantastic. It'll go with any main dish that you can hot up.
Enjoy.